English for Iraq, 6th Primary, Pupil's Book, page 78 and page 79. Unit 6, Lesson 3.
Cooking at home. Listen and read.
It's Saturday morning. Wissam and Dania are at home. It's raining today, and the children want something to do. They have a recipe for an easy pizza that Basim and Heba told them about.
Answer the questions about the picture. Use short answers.
One.
How many people can you see?
4 people. 2.
Where are they?
In the kitchen. 3.
What vegetables are there?
Tomatoes, onions, olives, herbs, and peppers. 4.
What other ingredients can you see?
Cheese, flatbread, and oil. 5.
There are 2 dangerous things in the picture. What are they?
A knife and a hot saucepan.
Write a sentence about what you can see in the picture.
In the picture, there are some vegetables like tomatoes, onions, herbs and peppers, and other ingredients like cheese, olives, and oil.
Listen to the conversation.
Mum, can we make a pizza?
Yes, we can. It's a good idea. And we can have it for dinner.
We need some bread, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Do we have any olives, Mum?
Yes, we do. And we have some fresh herbs.
Can I help?
Yes, you can help, but you mustn't use a knife. You can spread the cheese or put the olives on.
I'm going to slice the onions and tomatoes.
I'm going to grate the cheese.
Can I have a big piece of pizza?